morning, ma'am. Welcome to a white restaurant. I'm Rita Mikitar and I'll be your food server for this day. Are we holding any reservation? None. How many are we expecting in the party? For only one. May I suggest a nice table for you, ma'am? Okay. By the way, ma'am, which do you prefer, smoking or non-smoking area? Non-smoking area. This way, please. Is this table will be alright for you, ma'am? Yes. Are you comfortable with this, ma'am? Yes. Excuse me, ma'am. May I place a table napkin in your lap? Yes, please. Ma'am, for your water, ice water or not? Ice water, please. Here are your freshly baked and bread and butter. Excuse me, ma'am. This is our menu for your selection. Just let me know if you are ready to take order. Okay. Waiter, what are your order, ma'am? Give me one T-bone steak. How would you like the steak? Fully done? Do you want it rare, medium rare, or well done? Medium rare. What else would you like to add? How about a hot steaming soup to start your meal? Okay, give me cream of mushroom. Anything else, ma'am? Nothing. May I repeat your order? One T-bone steak, medium rare, and one cream of mushroom. Have I get your order right, ma'am? Yes. Here's your order, ma'am. T-bone steak and cream of mushroom. Is there anything else, ma'am? You want to order? Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. So I present the bill now? Yes, please. Here's your bill, ma'am. I received 2,000. Wait for your change and receipt.